Good afternoon and happy Tuesday, sixth graders. I'm obviously not here, so this video is to just quickly explain what you're going to be doing throughout class today for your assignments. There's two things that you're going to do. And the first thing is watching a video called Measure for Measure Length. And this is actually task number 2 in your design notebook. So you'll watch the video together as a class, and then you can answer the questions on paper. As long as you submit it, you are then done with task number 2. Otherwise, you need to spend time doing that in your design notebook. Measure for Measure is a video that's going over the history of how certain measurements came to be. Before standardized measurement was a thing, how did people used to measure, and how did those measurements come to be the length that they are. So that's the first thing that you'll do. After that, then you're going to start task number 3 in your design notebook. And this is going to get you started for the next activity we're doing as a class, where you and a partner are going to be measuring different things around the classroom using body parts. And so to know those measurements, you're going to do a vocab chart today where all of your definitions and vocab words that you look up need to be using your body parts and explained in that way. So you have about 6 words that you need to look up and complete that chart. So as long as you do task 2 and task 3, you are right where you need to be, and we will continue working on this on Thursday when I'm back in class. Take care of business, and we'll see you on Thursday.